What's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back. I am with the team here. We are at the foot of Manga Hills, and I want to take you through these hills so that next time you are around these areas, you can be able to pay a visit and enjoy the scenery. We are in Kisii County, and come with us and enjoy the scene. I'm with a group here. Let me show you. That's my team. We are a group of 10 guys. They will say hi, and then we start our hike.
You are an old soul. Part one done.
Say something.
No, we are about to find out.
No, this is a cameraman.
The camera.
Yeah. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Oh.
Hey.
Next week ametoa yake.
Lakini shamba ni ya nani?
Nchini ya uwanja.
We're starting the first hill, one of three. Hill 1 of 3.
You can join.
Okay, guys. I got the news from my camera. Sasa huyu ana call sahi.
I'll take some photos. Could you pick a picture? Expound.
How do you look?
Ugly.
So behind me is Kitutu Chache South.
Kitutu
Chache South. That is Kisii County.
Kisii County.
Yeah.
And I'm in Nyamira County, Kitutu Masawa constituency.
So Onyonka Ngwenyi.
No, this is that's Onyonka.
And Shadrach Mose.
Shadrach Mose.
Oh.
And this is Kemera Ward.
Okay. And I'm in the middle. I'm in the middle of Kisii County and Nyamira County.
Who is enjoying?
You are when uko katikati.
Kutulia mapiano kana mapiano.
Where's your whistle, man?
Piano man.
We are 2 kilometers into the mountain. You can see the view from up here. How do you like that view? This is one of the places where you can picnic. So you can come, set up, picnic, have fun, listen to music, play a game of cards, dance, and stuff like that. Look at how my team is enjoying.
Steve, David.
Yes.
Like you fall.
Now we are fighting our fears. As you can see. Wacha chakula isianguke. Afadhali hii kiatu ianguke.
Oh my God.
We are fighting our fears. Wamekushtua? Nani anakushtua? Hapo hapana ba. Hapo tu. Bora tu mtu asiliguse. Hapo mtu anaweza kugusa.
Steve.
Tell us your experience.
We are on top. We are doing this. A little bit tired. Stiff feet. I don't have a pole. I'm taking water and biscuits. But we're doing this, yeah.
Okay, sour boy.
Yeah.
Dr.
I love the experience. It's a long time since I hiked. At least we have good company and the motivation is right. The view from up here is just so amazing. Everyone should come just hike here.
What's up?
Yeah, we are doing well so far. So far, so good. We are in the middle of our hike, Manga Hills. We've just taken a break so that we snack a bit and then we proceed. As you can see behind there, we have a very good scenery. This is a very tall cliff over here. If you fall, definitely you will not make it.
Angels will catch you midway.
Angels will catch you. And lastly but not least, we are still proceeding to the Sisters Parish. We are going to do what Bossy Babe asked us to do yesterday.
To pray.
To pray there. Thank you.
Which pray?
Play.
Okay, share your experience.
Oh my, this is amazing. I feel like we should go more and more and more. We're on our way up, and we are like 3/4 up. Yeah.
Yes.
So we're still enjoying it. Let's keep it on.
You are on camera.
Oh.
Tell us about yesterday.
Kama si curfew, tungefika hadi Mbita. Asubuhi tuamkie Takawiri, to swim, tukule lunch. That lady cooks very nice food. Turudi.
So going forward,
we're heading to the summit. I'm excited kufika huko juu ndio nikunywe lukozedi yangu. Like nasikia iko hapa inaniguzaguza nikitembea hivi hips na niambia I'm here. Yeah. Na njugu na crisps.
So let's continue. We shall be doing more of this. Now, what's the story behind this?
The story is that
The story is that there are two holes. One is bad, one is good, one is useful. But there are two. Imagine.
two what?
There's two holes.
Those are three.
Exactly.
This is the end of the second hill.
Oh, this is the shit. This is the hole.
This is the story of the Manga Hills hole. Or is it the holes?
Is there a story behind the hole?
Yeah, the boy can tell us.
Which boy?
Story behind the hole?
Which hole? Which boy? So this is the third hole.
No, I don't know.
The third eye of Manga Hills.
In the third hole, juu inatafutwa sana.
We are treasure hunting.
Watu wana shida.
We have found the treasures.
Kama moshi. Skule pesa yenu kutoka moshi.
I cannot can. You know tuko kwa edge.
I know. And I'm feeling
So
dizzy.
easy. Wewe tafuta yako huko bana. Kama ukibeba yako.
We have just seen the mysterious hole in Manga Hills. We don't know the story behind it. Nobody among us knows. Our tour guide does not know. But probably this is where the mysterious freedom fighters were hiding. Now we are going to the next hill. We are going to hill number 3. But first, check that cliff. If you fear heights, it's not your thing. But it's a very beautiful scenery. Okay, let's go to the third hill.
Now we have settled for lunch.
Yes.
What is this? Who knows what is this?
This is the Berenge one.
Head box. A goat is head.
Also known as Kamoras.
I was going to bless them. Brother.
Someone to pray for us before we eat.
Let's pray.
Tell us what happened here.
Nikatoka nje nikaona puu. Nilikuwa nimesimama pale.
Ndio mnakanyaga IED.
Ghafla bin vu. Ukasikia?
Punde si punde. Nikasikia pa. Nikatoka nje nikaona pu. Hii ni kutupa.